Introducing the stunning new smoked oak finish in Golden Elite Deco's Vista collection. Available in 48-inch single sink and 60-inch double sink sizes. Comes with matte white countertops, built with soft close drawers, exceptional resistance to stains and scratches. This rich wood grain brings warmth to any bathroom. Need to remove drawers? Simple. Open the drawer. Find screws on the bottom. Remove with a drill. Use the blue hooks to lift off the drawer. To reinstall, place drawer in the bar holes. Test it. Then replace screws. Transform your bathroom with Golden Elite Deco today.